Hello, my lovely, wonderful students. Today we are going to be logging into or enrolling in our Brainpop class. We're going to use Brainpop now and then more as a review, like to bring back to your memory what you've learned before. But for today, all we're going to do is enroll you in your particular class. You're going to get to brainpop.com. Okay, and I don't want you to go any further in this video until you're at brainpop.com. So we're going to pause and go there in a different window and then come back. Okay, so once you are at brainpop.com, you are going to find this little spot here that says enter code. Okay, you're going to get a window. Where are you going to find that code? Well, it was in today's PowerPoint or slideshow. And it's also on ManageBack, and that's the wrong one. It's also on ManageBack, and it's also Google Classroom, my website, everywhere. All right, so for period 1, this is what you're gonna type. Okay, you find your class, highlight, copy. Okay, and then once you get over to Brainpop, you are going to paste your code. Okay, and then hit submit. Now we're going to pause your video until you are to that point. Okay, so let's pause and get there. And then we'll get to the next step. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is you have to create an account. Okay, if you already have an account from somewhere else, okay, but if you don't, let's just create an account. Type in your first name that you go by, okay? So I know some of you have nicknames that are kind of like official nicknames, and that's okay. I'm just going to do Jennifer Ryman. But if I were in 7th grade, I would have done Jen Ryman. That's just what I went by at the time, and that's okay. And then for your username, do something that makes sense, that you're going to remember. Oh, and I already used that one. And for your password, I want you to be sure that you're going to use the same password to start. Use Meridian 1. Okay, and then you have to type Meridian 1 in again. If you really feel like you need to change your password, that's fine, but I want you to start off with this one. That way I can just check and make sure we're all at least in there. Okay, and then you're going to hit create account. Okay, and then you're set. All right, you're going to be getting your first Brainpop assignment soon. We'll usually do those in breakout rooms on Zoom, so you guys can watch them together. And if you have questions, you'll be able to ask them, okay? So congratulations, you now have a Brainpop account. Don't you feel wonderful? And there are going to be assignments on there that aren't due yet, and you can fiddle around and look up information from other topics too that you want. You don't just have to do the assignments. You've got full reign of Brainpop. Okay, well, lucky you. Okay, have a great day. We're going to go do the next one.